My last day here in Wisconsin, and I've been invited to Epic headquarters, I believe. So I hear it's kind of like an amusement park or just like a fun place to be. So I'm excited to see what this is all about. Epic is kind of like a medical software program that they have for doctors and charting and things like that. So I've seen a lot of interesting things like a Humpty Dumpty on a wall and a lot of interesting things that I'll probably get to share with you. So I'm on my way over to meet Jane. She was gracious enough to invite me out to her place of work. So let's see how this goes.
Tenure, you get to sign up and go to the art shop to pick these out yourself.
Oh wow, you get to pick things.
And the company will buy it and place it if they like it.
Okay. If they like it.
Yeah. This is the oldest building.
The carpet looks so cool.
I know, right? I'm excited. Do you know Frank Lloyd Wright?
Mm-mm.
He's an architect. He designed the Guggenheim Museum in New York City. He's from Wisconsin, like an hour out.
Okay.
So ideally, this building and Prairie Campus, couple buildings around here, are designed after him, or his style.
This is so cool.
It's trippy.
Yeah, because it looks like it pops out, like it's layered.
Yeah, good quality carpets, for
Yeah.
sure. The newer one very nice. This is, IKEA themed. That's what I like.
Oh wow. Oh wow, they even have the good Grand Central Station. What's the thing about frogs here?
I don't know. I thought we were mostly about this place.
Yeah, that's cool. I like frogs. This is cool. Who designs it?
You'll see planets and stuff hanging as well.
That's cool. Do people take time off during their lunch to go around and just look at things?
I think for the first 2 weeks. And you're enjoying this.
So those are called what bikes? Cow bikes. And this is a soda fountain shop?
They make milkshakes.
Milkshakes.
And so Epic is alcohol and soda free. So
Okay.
no alcohol is served at any.
Thank you. Wow, it's literally like an art museum.
Yeah, there's a lot to see. I'm excited to show you all the things.
I like how they paint all their elevators. They have little chickens. And thanks for taking time to taking it around on your lunch. Oh, this is fun. Yeah. I'm surprised they don't have things how a museum would, where they have the name of the artist or where it came from. I remember going kind of Asian.
Oh, yeah, there's definitely an arena like this. There's another one. I want to see
Anybody ever get fired? Oh, it's like a game wall.
It's cute.
Did the this place is called Heaven.
And you'll see why.
I'll see why it's called Heaven. Wow, the carpet's like games and stuff.
That's very happening. That stairway.
Oh, it's like a spiral staircase. Sorry if I'm slowing you down.
No, I'm glad you're enjoying all the art. I honestly never take time to do that.
I think it's like, that's called a mosaic.
Yes. Things in some Verona.
Mm-hmm. It's like fish scales.
This is like where we started. And then we came up all the way here. Now we're here. And we're gonna follow this way to check this out.
God, it's really big.
It is pretty big.
And they have lighting and everything. So people take tours, like somebody takes people on a tour around. That's wild.
You can park it where you park, and I think that is the main spot.
Interesting doors.
Oh yeah. There's a huge like, meeting room, conference room called Lair
Oh,
in this building. And I think they're pretty.
this is crazy.
You can see dragons there.
Yeah. So it's like a monster coming out of the ground. It's okay. It's so cool. It's so innovative how they made the carpet. Oh yeah, Dragon's Lair upstairs.
It sounds like that's one.
I guess the artwork has to make sense, right? It has to go with something that you have. Yeah.
They do decorate it really well. Like this. They all just have rooms. The roof is. Oh, sure.
It's like we want you to come in and work here.
Yes. Oh yeah, this is the age.
Wow, there's even a lion thing.
I used to have those as a kid.
What are those?
I don't know.
Tapestries? Dude, there's a gingerbread house. That's wild. And then that's called Castaway.
Yes, that. It looks
I guess the food hall's down there. That doesn't go anywhere?
No, you can eat in there. There's a menu. And you can see the nutrition here.
So when you click on it, it tells you, wow.
I could use coffee.
Wow, that's it? So it's like an honor system?
Yep. He's my Pilates teacher.
Oh my god, yo, that's sick. Wait, that's awesome.
Now you got someone to practice on.
He's my prospective
Yeah,
student.
I've never done Pilates before. It sounds terrifying, but I'm willing to give it a try. It just sounds scary, like the
Don't worry about
reformer?
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Developer here. Do you want a salad?
I was just looking, what is it?
It's
Chicken salad?
It says over there.
Sure. Can I get one?
Yeah.
Put the napkins in my pocket.
She's gonna prescribe.
Oh wow, you can see the Alice cat disappear once you go to the side.
Oh yeah. And you can still see the smell. Where am I? Did you find the trash can there?
I might take this all the way in the office.
Oh, there's a break room over there. It's too late.
Let's go outside and see office.
So this is very like
Everything's upside down.
upside down.
Oh, that's crazy.
I do kind of like that. It's kind of trippy.
I would hate to come here every day though.
Yeah, dude. The third floor also is so damn confusing.
Oh, like here?
The third up more.
Oh yeah, with the
It's like
mirror.
It's like a five-way intersection. So I don't know which green ass.
So much hate.
It's so green. I mean, green's my favorite color. Don't get me wrong. It's just a very green.
Did you tell them that when you started? Green's my favorite color.
I didn't, but maybe they figured it out. Maybe
I think
they
they
found my data.
Oh yeah, it was breached. It was probably one of your security questions.
yeah.
Very cool, but it's so secluded.
So secluded.
It was
Yeah.
very far.
It's a chocolate factory too.
Yeah, we're probably gonna hit that
Yeah.
and then head back to Royal.
Yeah.
There's something going on there, right?
Follow the yellow brick road.
What is this doing?
Yeah. Restaurant 42 is on the bottom floor. So sometimes I just go there because I'm too lazy to walk from there. Today I just wanted to mix things up.
Thanks for hanging out.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you, man.
Yeah.
So what's that over there?
That's called sci-fi.
Sci-fi?
Yeah.
And then the building next to it?
Mystery.
And then this kind of looks like Russia-ish.
Mystery.
Sci-fi, history,
Mystery.
Mystery.
And oh.
and that's Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. That's cool.
They have the biggest corn maze. They give you like a little bit of support. No, you don't have to get reimbursed.
So basically, if they give you a big chunk of...
You also sign a contract that is really
Oh wait, a man, he is this master Willy Wonka. This is cool. It's the cat.